નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students to fifth part of 14th chapter, How Big, How Heavy of Standard 5th Mathematics. Now from last four parts, what we are discussing, do you know? See, the name of the chapter is How Big. Now big in the sense of volume, isn't it? And so we are discussing about the volume. Then what is volume? In the last part I have told you what is volume. Volume is a space occupied by an object. The object could be a marble, it could be a 5 rupee coin also. But volume is space occupied by an object. Now regarding marble, regarding coin, we don't know its parameter, we don't know its radius. So how did we find out the volume of the same? We put it into the water. So it pushed up the water, and the quantity which is pushed up by an object, है ना? अगर हम उसको पानी में डालेंगे तो वो पानी थोड़ा सा ऊपर आएगा. जितना भी पानी ऊपर आता है, that is water pushed up. The quantity water pushed up in ml, we discussed about that quantity, and that is the volume of that particular object, of the coin, of the marble, isn't it? But now regarding matchbox, we discussed in the last part, a matchbox have length, a matchbox have width, that is we say breadth, and a matchbox have the height. So to find out the volume of such cube and cuboids, matchbox we can say it's a cuboid. Okay, so a matchbox, that is cube or cuboid, have length, width and height, length, breadth and height. And in the last part I give you a formula that to find out the volume is equal to length L, breadth B, height H. L multiplied by B multiplied by H. This is the formula to find out the volume of such objects like cube and cuboids. Only cube and cuboids. Okay, that is what we discussed in the last part. Okay, now come to page number 192 till we are discussing about matchbox play only. Matchbox play. Look into now, use 56 matchboxes. What we have to do? We have to use 56 matchboxes. For that you have to find out 56 matchboxes, empty matchboxes from somewhere here and there. Collect 56 matchboxes, then use 56 matchboxes to make platform of different height. Fill this table. Now what you will do, you have to use all the 56 matchboxes. Understand? You have to use all these 56 matchboxes and you have to prepare a platform. So a platform is also a kind of cuboid in this shape. So it also have height, it also have length, it also have width, wide, isn't it? So platform, how high is it, how long is it, how wide is it? See, these are the quantity of matchbox, height of the matchbox. Okay, so lengthwise one matchbox, height-wise, sorry, as a height one matchbox, lengthwise 8 and widthwise 7 matchboxes. Like that, if you will put those matchboxes, then you will find a platform. Then after you can prepare another platform. So you put the 4 matchboxes one over second. So 4 matchboxes height-wise, lengthwise 14, I think, yeah, and width wise only one. like that also you can put, and you can put the matchboxes something like this, 2, 7 and 4. Now the volume of each platform is equal to, see, volume of each platform is equal to, now see, height means height, so this is height, long means length, so this is length, and wide means breadth, so this is b. So if we want to find out the volume of this M, then our formula is LBH. L, B and H, isn't it? So we have to multiply, and each and every, we used 56 matchboxes. So naturally, matchbox wise, the volume of this platform is 56, and you can, if you will multiply this, you will find 56. 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56. So here 56. Okay, 14 fours are 56, multiplied by 1, 56, 2 sevens are 14 fours are 56. So the volume of each platform is equal to 56, isn't it? Make the deep drawing of the platforms you have made. Now you will prepare this platform with the help of the 56 matchboxes. Okay, so make a deep drawing of this end. So let me show you a simple that deep drawing. I will like to show it to you. I will not use the scale. Why? Because I want to complete that deep drawing as early as possible, so that you will get an idea that how to prepare such a platform with the help of the matchboxes. Suppose let's draw this platform 187 made up with 187. Then something like this. It can be something like this. Suppose see, lengthwise we want 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So this is and widthwise we want 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, isn't it? Now we have to go some, see, this is parallel to this. Okay, we should go parallel, and this is parallel to this. Okay, now just you have to join these lines. Join these lines. Okay, and join these lines. So this is the platform of, see, you can see height. This is height. It is 1 this way. Suppose this is the breadth, then this is 7 and this is the 8. Okay, so first platform. This is a deep drawing of the first one. Now let's go for the second. Suppose in the second 4, 14 and 1. Suppose then let's go for that. See, the height is 4 now. So let me go something like this. The height is 14. Okay, and suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 See, this is the height, isn't it? This is the height. Now, lengthwise it is 14. Okay. So first of all, I have to go something like this. And lengthwise it is 14. So let me draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. So it will be up to this. Sorry. It will be up to this. Okay. And I will draw this line also. Okay. Now this one and this one join this. Okay. Now just I have to draw these lines. You will use the scale so that you can do very particularly. Okay. Now, in this way also. See, these are all are parallel. Okay. So this is. Let me show you. See, this is the height 4, and this is the breadth. This is the breadth. It is 1, and this is 14, isn't it? So this is the second platform. Now the third one. In the third one, what we have to do? 2, 7, and 4. So let's see. First of all, we have to go for 2, isn't it? So let me draw somewhere over here. First of all, height wise only 2. So see, this is, suppose this is the height, and the height is 2 and 1 and 2. So this is the height, and hence it will be something like this. And see, width wise 4, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And lengthwise 7, so it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Now this is parallel to this. Okay, and this is parallel to this. Now just you have to join all this. Join this one. Okay, and so you will, and this is parallel to this. Now if this is something like this. Okay, and the height is 2. Height is 2. So this is the height 2. This could be say this is okay. So okay. So this is, see, this is the height is 2, this is the breadth is 4, and this is the length is 7. So like that you should go for the drawing of this end. Now open page number, come to page number 193, on which practice time is there. Mohan arranged his matchboxes like this. How many matchboxes did he use to make it? Then What is the volume in matchboxes? Blank matchboxes. So collect empty matchbox. So first of all, let's discuss that one. Let me see what we are discussing is this drawing. What we are discussing is I am discussing about this drawing. Okay. So Mohan arranged his matchboxes something like that platform. Now, how many matchboxes did he use to make it? So you can see there are 3 layers. You can see there are 4 layers. We can see this is the platform. There are 4 layers. The first one in which 4 matchboxes length and width wise. Then after second layer in which 3 matchboxes are there. Then after first, second, third layer 2 matchboxes length and width wise, height wise only 1, and on the top only 1 matchbox. So total 4 layers are there, isn't it? So first of all we have to find out volume, isn't it? So the volume of first layer, let me write particularly. Suppose in that one the volume of first layer is equal to, now volume we know that length, breadth and height, isn't it? So in that drawing, see that the length is 4, lengthwise it is 4, breadthwise or widthwise it is 4, and the height only one matchbox layer is there, so it is 1. So 4 4s are 16. We can say 16. Same way, the layer or second layer. In the second layer, the 3 by 3 by 1, you can see. Length 3, width 3, 1 is equal to 9. Third layer is equal to 2 by 2 by 1. 2 by 2 by 1 is equal to 4. And the fourth layer is equal to only 1 matchbox. So total he used 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. है ना? So the total is equal to 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. Isn't it? And it is total 30 matchboxes. Isn't it? Total 30 matchboxes. So the volume of that is 30 matchboxes. Okay, now collect empty matchboxes, arrange them in an interesting way, make a deep drawing of it. Now collect some more suppose using 4 matchboxes, how you can arrange them? And then you have to go for the deep drawing also. Let me show you one of the deep drawing. Suppose one of the matchbox you arrange something like this. Suppose, see, this is okay. So this is the matchbox, the way you arrange them, isn't it? The way you arrange them. These are the matchboxes. the way you arrange them, something like this. So these are only 1, 2, 3, 4 matchboxes. So using 4, 6, 8, whatever it is, prepare some this type of arrange them, means arrange them in interesting way and draw the big drawing of the cell. So with this we are ending this part, and do this activity at your home, and it is very good to do. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.